project, you will be needing a hardcover notebook, as I am demonstrating here. Yeah, and mine is by markings, as you will see in here. You will also be needing paint. Choose one solid color if you're going to do a collage on one side, or if you're not going to do a collage, choose as many colors as you want. Or if you're going to do a collage on both sides, skip the paint. You will also be needing painter's tape or scotch tape. I am just demonstrating that it is scotch tape. Yep, it's green tape. Yep, we get it. And here I'm just showing that it's scotch tape. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is tape the insides of the notebook cover so that you don't get any paint. Believe me, I painted my school notebook and paint just kind of got everywhere, so yeah, and here I'm just showing the back because there's apparently a very big difference between the front and the back. And here I'm just going to try to do a transition. Okay, so now I'm just showing that it's taped. Yeah, that's really all I'm doing. It kind of looks like a watermelon on the inside with the green tape. Okay, yeah, and I didn't do anything with the bookmark because I might just cut the bookmark out. Here I am demonstrating that you should paint the back by rubbing my hand all over the back cover. Not the front cover, the back cover. I have painted the back cover, and do as many covers or layers as you think your book will need. This is probably going to need definitely not one, like 2 to 3 more, and I also taped off the part of the front cover. So now for the second part, the collage, you are going to be needing some drawings or pictures that you print out. You can also use a magazine from this, just make sure that there isn't anything you want on the back. And you're also going to need glue. You can use a glue stick or a liquid glue. Now you're going to take your drawings or magazine or snippings or your pictures, and I needed to go get scissors because I didn't bring them ahead of time. Okay, now you're going to cut them out. The back is dry. You are going to cut out your photos, drawings, whatever, and then you're going to plan where you're going to put them. I'm just kind of throwing them wherever I feel like at this point. And yeah, okay, yep, we get it. Okay, yeah. And then you're going to need glue and a paintbrush, and then you're going to put the paintbrush in the glue, then put the glue-soaked paintbrush on, put the glue on the drawing. Hello guys, so you might be able to tell that I'm not doing a voiceover this time because the tutorial is done. This is what I was left with. Of course, put on a couple of coats of Mod Podge. Back is kind of splotchy, but this is about what I got. So yeah, just 99% anime. I could go into detail about everything, but I'm not going to because I don't want to bore you. So, put on a couple coats of Mod Podge. I will give you some ideas of, was this not completely dry? Did I do something wrong? Okay, I don't know. I'm just going to put it down and hope for the best. Okay. So, now put on a coat of Mod Podge, as I have said that 3 times now. And then in the description, I will put some ideas of things that you can put in your notebook. And yeah, thanks so much for watching and stay safe. That's my thumb, by the way, not, yeah. How do people do this? Okay, yeah, I'm giving you a thumbs up. Yeah, okay, bye.